but I put them in here. These more purpley brushes, these ones don't come in a leather case. And then I have some of the older ones. So I just finished filming this look. It's going to be a collab with Liz Williams. It's going to be on how to get nice glowy skin, and I'm super excited about it. So now I'm just going to take the pictures for it and then do close-ups and then intro and outro. Okay, so I just filmed an Invisalign Diaries video. I haven't filmed one of those in so long, but I actually had something to talk about today because I went to my, one of my last appointments. I don't have any more trays to use, so I'm putting up, or it's already up, of a video of that experience. Then maybe I'll have 1 or 2 more videos left in that series, but I'm really excited that I finally got that done. Like, it just needed to happen. So I got that second video filmed, and I'm gonna have a ton more videos to film today. I'm so excited. It's Sunday. I love Sundays because I don't have to go anywhere or do anything. I can just film, take my time. It's a great day. So I just picked up this package from SLMISSGLAM. I'm going to be doing an update video on my Beauty Addict Next Door channel, but I'm super excited because they're brush options that are synthetic, cruelty-free, and did not come in a leather case. So I will link down below my I made a mistake video so you guys can understand what I'm talking about as far as the leather cases go. So also my brushes review video, and then if it's up already, my review and, explanation about SLMISSGLAM Beauty, my update on it, that video on my Beauty Addict Next Door channel. So yeah. Got that. I'm super excited to try these out. So I'm just going to kind of clean up, and then I'm going to have lunch because I'm hungry, and then I'll film a couple more videos at my vanity. So yeah, even though it's a hot mess right now, I will clean it. Ugh, I don't feel like it. I think it's so hilarious that I have my makeup brushes in this Walking Dead cup. Am I the only one who thinks that's hilarious? I think it is. So I'm about to film a couple more videos with my vanity in the background, and I'm super excited, especially because I got my new brushes, which I think I showed you guys before this. But I put them in here. These more purpley brushes, these ones don't come in a leather case. And then I have some of the older ones that I'm going to use in my personal life that I'm not going to use on camera, which I'll explain on Beauty Addict Next Door, my whole reasoning behind that. So yeah, I'm going to film April favorites, a video on the SLMISSGLAM brushes and everything. Michael is rubbing his head against my toes right now. He's so silly. What are you doing? Oh, look at Michael. So silly. I don't understand. Yes, I am wearing jam bottoms right now, because why not? Just get comfortable. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna film. Wanna film, buddy? Yeah? Nope, you're gonna climb on me? Okay. You doing, shy? Okay. Okay. It's making it super difficult to concentrate. I'm just like trying to film, and he's like biting my toes, rubbing his head against my feet. He jumped on me a couple times. Like, what are you doing, bud? Huh? No. Now he's rubbing his head against the chair. So both of my cameras are like filling up with memory, so I had to export stuff. The thing is, my Sony a5100, even if you export the videos and you check mark off delete after export, after it imports, it keeps them. And then I go to import, like I take the cord out and whatever, come back later, I'm like, wait, those videos I exported and I said delete after export. And I even tried it a second time just in case, like, oh, maybe I forgot to check it off. No, like, it's actually not exporting, so I can't figure out why it wants to hold on to all the videos. It works for the pictures. Like, it'll take off the pictures from the camera, but it keeps all the videos. But then I go to delete the videos and they're not there. Maybe I should try it again. Maybe, like, what the heck? And I'm like, come on. Like, I only have so much memory. I do all my vlogging, and I'm like, okay, if they never come off, then eventually this camera's just gonna completely stop working. So that's probably why it's giving me a little bit of difficulty lately, so I need to figure that out. Like ASAP, because I have more vlogging to do, obviously. I just started vlogging too, even though I'm having all these issues. But yeah, what the heck? So I just finished filming, so I'm gonna film one more. I don't think I have enough time or sunlight because I have to clean everything up. I have to edit videos, and like my memory card is getting full. Both cameras are getting full. My laptop is getting full because I have so many videos going on, and I'm vlogging simultaneously, but whatever. Okay, so this is hilarious. I'm making myself some toast to go with my macaroni and cheese. and I put it in the toaster and it popped up, and this is what happened. It literally popped up like that. It popped out of the toaster, landed straight up there. I don't even have to dig in now. I just grab it off the top. Oh, this is silly. Alright, so I just wanted to say goodbye to you guys. I think I'm just going to end vlogging tonight. I got a lot of work done. I'm watching some TV while I eat my dinner. So I just finished my dinner, actually. And now I'm going to go get a shower and, yeah, just kind of finish up the night. But I just want to say goodnight to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I will see you all next time. Bye!